Today in this video I'm gonna to show you MS Word tips and tricks. So guys, if you want to type, so very easy. Techno Pro. If you want to big size, it's very easy. Firstly selected, after click it as you like, choice, that is. If you want to copy, so firstly select and right click, after this option click on copy, that is. If you want to paste, so right click and paste, that is. If you want to change color, so firstly selected and here option. If you want to other color, that is. Change color, that is. That is. So guys, if you want to bold, click on bold, that is. If you want to cross, click it, that is. If you want to line, that is. Choose any line, underline, that is. And this is very beautiful function in MS Word. Firstly home, after insert table, selected table, that is. Type annotator, X, Y, Z. So guys, this is very simple and easy method. And insert, if you want to picture, so selected picture, insert, that is. There is. Okay. If you want to charter, click and charter, that is. So guys, this is very simple and easy method. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel for latest update.